Hi 5th grade. Today you are going to start your tessellation project. So yesterday you should have read through my post and you should have watched this video right here and looked at these two websites with tessellation pictures on them. If you did not do that, please go back and do all of that before you start your project. I'm going to show you how to get to Google Drawing and then how to start your project. So here is what we're going to do. You're going to go up here and click on the waffle button, and then you're going to hit Drive. After we hit Drive, you're going to hit New, More, and then Google Drawings. So it will take you to this page right here. You want to go ahead and title it. You can title it Tessellations Project. Oh, forgot an L. Okay. And then you can start your project. Before we start this, I'm going to go over with you some of the requirements. So let me pull that up real quick. Okay, so here are the requirements right here. All right, so we're going to create a tessellation using Google Drawing. So I just showed you how to get to Google Drawing. It says name your new drawing, first name, last name, tessellation. All right, so I put tessellation project, but let's go ahead and put our first name and last name. And then it says design and tessellation of at least 20 repeated units that fills the page. Your tessellation must include at least 2 different shapes and must have only the outline be filled in white so that you can color it. Get your tessellation drawing approved by me, then print your tessellation. Color your tessellation using at least 3 different colors. Okay, so we're going to go to Google Drawing right here. We're going to press on this button and we're going to press shapes. We can press arrows. We can do call outs if we want to, or equations. I'm just going to go ahead and start with shapes, and then I'm going to enter this shape right here. So I'm going to draw the shape. Okay. Good. And then maybe I want to use this shape again. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to hit copy, and then I'm going to paste the shape. And this time I'm going to turn it like this and make sure it fits in here like that. Okay. So then you want to make sure that all of your shapes fit together. And remember, you have to have at least 2 different shapes. Instead of printing this, if you don't have access to a printer, you can just change the colors on here. So for example, if I click this, I'll go up to fill color, and then I can change the color. Remember to use more than 3 colors, and they can be any colors you would like. Alright, if you have any questions about this project, let me know. I will be posting this slide document on Google Classroom for you. Alright, have fun!